Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn Class 9th Foundation, Subject Chemistry, Chapter Chemical Bonding, and this is our part 9. In this part we are going to start with the topic of properties of ionic compound. First property of ionic compound is physical state. Generally, ionic solids are relatively hard. It is because of the close packing due to strong inter-ionic force of attraction present between oppositely charged ions. The brightliness of ionic compounds. Even though ionic compounds like rock, salt are hard solids, they break quite easily when dropped on floor. The reason is that the behavior of ionic compound is much like a glass, which breaks into many pieces on falling. The, the brightliness is because of shift in alignment of its ions. Normally, the alignment is such that the oppositely charged ions are next to each other as adjacent. Owing to the impact on falling, the alignment is disturbed such that the ions with similar charge come next to each other. Since like charges repel each other, the crystal breaks along the line of the force. Second is structure of ionic compounds. Structure of ionic compounds. Unit cell. There is a basic unit in an ionic crystal which, when repeated three-dimensionally, gives complete crystal. This basic unit is called the unit cell. Broadly speaking, the shapes of a unit cell are of the above types. First is simple or primitive, second is face centered, third is body centered, and fourth is end face centered. After that, the third point is melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling points. Ionic compounds possess high melting and boiling points. Reason is that melting and boiling of ionic compounds involves breaking of the lattice structure and setting the ions free. In a lattice, there are strong electrostatic forces between positively charged ions. To break these strong electrostatic forces, considerable amount of energy is required. Hence, the melting points and boiling points of ionic compounds are high. Fourth is solubility. Solubility. Ionic compounds are soluble in water because dissolving an ionic solid involves the setting of opposite ions free from the lattice into the solvent. This can happen when the strong electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite ions is weakened. Therefore, solvents having oppositely charged ions called polar solvents should be used. The base polar solvent is water. Therefore, all ionic compounds are dissolved in water. The best solvents suited for dissolving ionic compounds are the universal solvent, dissolution of NaCl in water, lattice energy and hydration energy and its influence in solubility. I hope you have understood till this. Next is electrical conductivity. Even though ionic solids consist of opposite ions, they are bad conductors of electricity. In ionic solids, the oppositely charged ions are held together by a strong electrostatic force of attraction, making the ions immobile. Hence, conductivity is not possible. However, in their fused or aqueous state, ionic compounds are good conductors of electricity owing to the presence of mobile ions. For instance, NaCl in its fused state or in its aqueous solution has free Na plus and Cl. The mobility of Na plus and Cl minus results in conduction. Sixth is high reactivity. Ionic compounds react instantaneously in fused state. This is because of easy formation of free ions, rapid union of this ion in solids to form new compounds. For example, the reaction between NaCl and AgNO3 is very rapid in solution state, resulting in the formation of AgCl, a precipitate, and NaNO3. Seventh is directional properties. Directional properties. A given ion in the ionic crystal is surrounded by a uniform electric field around it. Therefore, the electrostatic bond force attracts equally on the ion in all directions, as there is no specific direction for the electrostatic bonding force. The ionic bond is a non-directional bond. And the next is isomorphism. Isomorphism. First point, crystals of different ionic compounds having similar arrangement of ions as well as geometry are known as isomorphous, and the phenomenon is known as isomorphism. Example, ZnSO4 7H2O and FeSO4 7H2O. Second point, a crystal of an isomorph is placed in a saturated solution of other isomorphs, grows in size. Third point is the valency of elements forming isomorphous compounds is the same. This was about all the properties of ionic compounds. I hope you have understood till this. In part 10, we will start with the next topic, that is covalent bond. I hope you have understood till this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Thank you.